Men have typically kept their skincare routines basic. It's a great opportunity for men to assess their skincare regimen and learn more about how to take care of their body's largest organ because more men are now interested in healthier, younger-looking skin. Men's skin is thicker than women's, for instance, but the fundamental components of an efficient skincare regimen are the same regardless of the significant variations between men and women's skin. First and foremost, it's critical for everyone, including males, to recognize and comprehend their skin type. Sensitive skin may sting or burn after product use. Normal skin is clear and not sensitive. Dry skin is flaky, itchy or rough. Oily skin is shiny and greasy. Combination skin is dry in some areas and oily in others. Knowing your skin type will help you choose the best skincare items for you and learn how to take care of your skin. The following advice is offered by dermatologists to assist guys in creating healthy skincare routines. Think about component lists and product labels. Your skin type will determine which skincare items you select. Look for cleansers and moisturizers that state oil-free, or non-comedogenic, if you have acne-prone skin because these products won't clog your pores. Use gentle, fragrance-free products if you have sensitive skin because those with scents can irritate and dry out the skin. Every day and after activity, wash your face. Wash your face with a gentle facial cleanser in lukewarm, not hot, water because normal bar soap frequently contains harsh ingredients that can be drying to the skin. Keep an eye on your shaving method. Multi-blade razors may perform too well or shave too closely to the skin for some men. Use a single or double blade razor and avoid stretching your skin tight when shaving if you frequently get razor bumps, burns, or ingrown hairs. Wet your epidermis and hair to make it softer before shaving. Shave in the direction of the development of the hair while using a moisturizing shaving cream. To reduce irritation, rinse your face after each shave or stroke, and swap out your blade every 5 to 7 passes. Moisturize every day. In order to prevent fine lines from appearing and to make your skin appear youthful and more vibrant, moisturizers work by holding water in your skin. Apply moisturizer to your face and body as soon as possible after a shower, bath, or shaving, while the skin is still damp, for best effects. Examine your epidermis frequently. Itchy, bleeding, or changing color. New patches or moles are frequently early indicators of skin cancer. Make a dermatologist consultation if you see any suspicious spots. Melanoma, the deadliest type of skin cancer, is more common in men over 50 than in the general community. Skin cancer is incredibly curable, though, if it is discovered early. Whenever you are outside, wear sunblock. Apply sunscreen to all exposed skin, including your scalp, ears, neck, and lips, before venturing outside to help avoid sun damage that can cause wrinkles, age spots, and even skin cancer. Use a broad-spectrum, water-resistant sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and reapply it every 2 hours or right away after swimming or perspiring for the greatest protection. Aside from donning sun-protective apparel like a light, long-sleeved shirt, pants, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective sunglasses when appropriate, you can also protect your skin by finding shade. Choose garments with an ultraviolet protection factor, UPF, label for more effective sun protection. Thank you for watching. Don't miss click to subscribe for more beauty tips.